Jennifer Messado seeks to have herself removed from the list of attorneys being able to practice law in Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Embattled real estate attorney Jennifer Messado is seeking to have her name struck from the list of practicing attorneys in Jamaica, invoking the Legal Profession Act. Messado has filed a claim which reads, the applicant, Jennifer Ann Messado of 10 Holborn Road, Kingston 10 in the parish of St. Andrew, claims the following. 1. An order with the consent of the General Legal Counsel be issued to remove my name from the roll of attorneys entitled to practice law in Jamaica. 2. Cost and attorney costs. 3. Such further and other relief as this honourable court may deem just. The claim is in relation to subsection 8 of section 5 of the Legal Profession Act. Messado faces a number of charges surrounding allegations of fraud and obtaining money under false pretenses. It is alleged that the once prominent attorney attempted to sell a property owned by a church without the owner's consent. The property was valued at $232 million. She is also accused of defrauding local entertainer Messado of almost $31 million. In more recent developments, it was revealed that Messado is facing additional charges from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC, of forgery and obtaining money under false pretense. In May of this year, Messado collapsed and was rushed to hospital. It is yet to be determined what caused this collapse or what is the precise nature of any illness suffered by her. One attorney speaking on the matter surmised that this is a good move by Messado in that if she is exonerated or found not guilty, she can reapply to go back on the role of practicing attorneys. Another lawyer said, this is more palatable than having to face the humiliation of having been disbarred. It is certainly more noble. A UK solicitor, Erwin Ellis, added, it is the disciplinary committee of the General Legal Counsel that will independently determine whether she is to be disbarred. He added that her lawyers may well feel that in plea mitigations, they can point to her doing the honourable thing by stepping down because she has respect and regard for her profession.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.